matrix multiplication is a fundamental operation in linear algebra and data science. NumPy provides an elegant way to perform matrix multiplication using the operator. This operator makes your code more readable and efficient compared to traditional methods. NumPy offers two ways to multiply matrices. The traditional method uses the np.dot function, which requires you to explicitly call the function. The modern approach uses the operator, which is a special symbol introduced in Python 3.5. The operator provides a cleaner and more intuitive syntax for matrix multiplication. Let's look at the basic syntax. First, we import NumPy as np. Then we create two matrices A and B using np.dot array. Matrix A contains the values 1, 2 in the first row and 3, 4 in the second row. Matrix B contains 5, 6 in the first row and 7, 8 in the second row. To multiply these matrices, we simply write A at B and store the result in a variable called result. When we multiply matrix A and matrix B using the operator, we get a resulting matrix. The first row contains 19 and 22, while the second row contains 43 and 50. This result follows the rules of matrix multiplication, where each element is computed by taking the dot product of corresponding rows and columns. The operator is versatile and works with arrays of different dimensions. For two-dimensional arrays, it performs standard matrix multiplication. For one-dimensional arrays, it computes the vector dot product. It also handles higher dimensional arrays for batch matrix operations. When working with mixed shapes, NumPy's broadcasting rules automatically apply to ensure compatibility. Here's an example with one-dimensional vectors. We create vector v1 containing the values 1, 2, 3, and vector v2 containing 4, 5, 6. When we use the operator between these vectors, it computes the dot product. The calculation is 1 times 4, plus 2 times 5, plus 3 times 6, which equals 32. It's important to understand the difference between the operator and the asterisk operator. The operator performs matrix multiplication, which follows the mathematical rules of linear algebra. The asterisk operator performs element-wise multiplication, also known as the Hadamard product, where corresponding elements are simply multiplied together. These two operations produce completely different results. The operator offers several key advantages. First, it provides cleaner syntax, making your code more readable and intuitive. Second, it delivers better performance because it's optimized specifically for matrix operations. Third, it shows clear intent, explicitly indicating that you're performing matrix multiplication. Finally, it makes it easy to chain operations when you need to multiply multiple matrices together in sequence.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.